Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word so you can clean up your document and fix those stubborn layout issues in 2026. First, identify the cause of the blank page. A blank page is usually caused by invisible hidden characters, like extra paragraph breaks or page breaks that are taking up space. Go to the Home tab at the top of the Word ribbon. Click the Show, Hide icon. It looks like a backward P in the paragraph group. You will now see dots for spaces and symbols for paragraph markers. Scroll to your blank page. If you see a series of backward P symbols or a line that says page break, those are the culprits keeping the page active. Next, use the navigation pane. For long documents, using the navigation pane is the most efficient way to find and remove empty pages without getting lost in the text. Click on the View tab and check the box for navigation pane. In the sidebar that appears on the left, click on the Pages tab. In the 2026 version of Word, this pane provides a live thumbnail of every page. This allows you to click directly on the blank thumbnail to jump to it instantly. Once you're on the blank page, click and drag your mouse to highlight all the hidden markers or the page break line. Press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. The thumbnail in the navigation pane should vanish immediately as the text below it shifts up. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.